Hey everybody, so we are going to can some sausage patties. Finally found some at Winco. I will no longer be going to Walmart, it's not even worth the hassle. Turn shopping into a mission. And I'm going to just brown off my sausages. And we will be using wide mouth pints, so we can just plop them right down in there. So we will get these browned and I will see you when we're turning them over. Okay, we're flipping our sausages. And I have room to add some more. Smells yummy. If I remember correctly, you can get 6 in a jar. And if you wanted to raw pack them, you can raw pack them, but I would put a little square of parchment paper in between each one. Otherwise, they're going to stick together and they won't come out of the jar very well. These will leave you with individual patties if that's what you're wanting. And you can do them with or without liquid. I'll do one with liquid and one without liquid. My canner has 5 jars of curry in it and 1 jar of turkey and broth in it. So this is just to fill up the canner. My curry canner has turkey broth in it. The other counter has chicken broth and hamburger on it. And I have a mat over here with turkey and broth. So I've been a canning maniac. Oh, I didn't turn you off. So, we're going to start adding our patties. Oops. You can get 7 of those in there. So I'm going to add 4 more pieces to the skillet. And when I can my jambalaya, I will just finish off my sausages. So just keep doing your sausages, add them to your jars, wipe the rims with vinegar, and they will process pint 75 minutes, quarts 90. So I will be back when we're filling another jar. Okay, I'm going to fill our jar. Get my vinegar. And if you're wondering why we're working in a cramped space, it is because I have a carry canner going. I have jars that I've already canned. They're all canned up in here. So take your vinegar and clean your rims really well. You don't want any grease. This one has liquid in it. You can use broth, you can use water, whatever you like, and it's been debubbled. And these will shrink some more in the canning process. Ooh, it's hot in here. Two wide mouth rings. Fingertip tight into a warm canner. My canner has been kept on warm because I have a lot of hot stuff in there. So there's our canner. And let's see. Our V is over here. So you want to take the V on your lid, match it up with the V on your handle, and be as noisy as possible. Turn your heat up. Okay. When that pops up, and this has been venting steam for 10 minutes, put your weight on. When your weight comes to a very gentle wiggle or jiggle, set your timer for 75 minutes pints, 90 minutes quarts. Adjust your temperature as needed. If your rocker starts going crazy, you want to glide across the floor like Fred Astaire. You don't want to jump across the floor like Quiet Riot. So, I will see you when this is coming out of the canner. Okay, everybody, our sausage is ready. These are our fill-ins. I have more I can do when I can something else. And if you don't have meat that you can put in with something you're already doing, like I had the curry going, you could do beans. Anything that has the same amount of time, you can put in there. So if you don't have meat, you can do some jars of beans with to fill in your space. Or you could just put in some jars of water. So we have one with liquid, and one without. And there they are. There's the dry canned and the wet canned. So I'm going to wash my canners. If you have any questions, post them down below. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.